Okay.
It's going there. Going there. It's A. It's A. It's A.
Which one is that?
It's door there.
What letter is that? That's a R?
No, it's that.
Where's that one? Yeah, goes right there.
Oh.
Good job.
It's B. It's B.
That's a P, that's right.
It's going there.
Where does the P go?
There.
Right, exactly. Spin it around. Good job. You got it. All right.
It's going there.
Oh, what letter's that? S.
X.
You got it. Oops, you just got to spin it around a little bit this way. Like that. Good job.
R.
Yeah.
R.
Yeah, it's an R.
It's A. It's M.
It's an H.
It's going there. It's going there.
Yeah, it goes right there. Good job.
It's that. It's that. W. W.
That's an M.
M. It's M. It's M. It's M. It's M. It's M. Oh. It's boy. It's boy.
Which one's that?
It's boy.
Yep, it's Y. You're right.
There.
Close. That's a V. You want to put it in the Y.
It's B.
Right there.
Oh. It's B.
That's a V. That's right. Where's V?
There.
Yep, that's right.
There. There. It's there.
Nope. You know where V goes.
There.
Right. Good job.
B.
There you go. Perfect.
There.
Close. Not quite. Yeah, excellent.
It's clip. It's clip.
It's called Q.
It's clip. Oh, clip.
Q. Perfect.
Nope.
That's right. You got it. Good job.
It's going there. What's that? Finger. Finger.
Got your finger?
Yeah, I'll blue.
It's okay.
Okay. There. It's there.
Let me see. Which one is it?
It's there.
Nope. Is it right here?
No.
Is it here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There. Yay!
Yay!
I did it.
What letter's that?
It's this mommy. Mommy.
What?
Is it there? Is there?
Nope.
Mommy.
Nope.
Mommy.
What?
Is this there?
Nope. Is this it?
No.
Is this it?
No.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job.
It's that.
That's the letter E.
It's E.
Where's the E?
It goes. It
Yeah.
goes.
Yep, there he goes.
Me.
Perfect. Good job.
It's in there.
That's the letter Z. Yeah, good job.
Amen.
It's okay. Just goes like that.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
Turn it around. Turn it around one more time. There you go. Perfect.
Split.
Perfect. You got it.
It's him. It's him. There.
Perfect.
It's there. It's there.
Nope.
Mommy.
What?
Is this there?
Does it go here?
No.
Does it go here?
No.
Does it go here?
No.
Does it go here?
Yeah.
Good.
It's going here.
That's a G. Where's
G.
Where's the G?
There.
That's right.
Is there? Mommy.
Goes right here.
It's mommy.
Okay. Does it go here?
No.
Does it go here?
No.
Does it go here?
No.
Does it go here?
Yeah.
Okay, put it in there. Good job. That's a tricky one.
Kitty one.
What letter's that? L, right.
It's J. It's J.
That's J, that's right. Good job.
It's
Oh,
that.
spin it around.
Oh. Oh.
Did you think about what you maybe wanted for us?
Mommy.
No, sweetie. I'm taping.
Mommy.
Yes?
Is this there? It's there.
What letter's that?
Mommy. Mommy. Is there? It's there.
Well-
There.
Put the J in there. There you go. Yeah, what's that?
A.
A.
Is it there?
Nope. Does it go there?
No.
Does it go there?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job.
Thank you.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
Okay, what's next?
I.
I. Perfect.
Uncle. Uncle Creamy.
Put that in. Put the I in. And then we'll call Grammy. Yeah, well, it's a W. You're right.
Is this there?
Nope. Does it go there?
No.
Does it go there?
No.
Does it go there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Couple more. Hurry.
Heavy.
Hurry.
Heavy.
Good job.
Upper.
Good job. That's a K. Oh, what letter do you have in your hand? Oh, that's a T. Okay. Right. Perfect. Nope. Right there. Yay. That's a F. Good job. What letter's that? Right. U. Good job. That's an X. Perfect. What's that letter?
B.
Right. You know where B goes. Good job. And last but not least, what's that? A K. Yay! You did it! Good job. Good job. High five. Good job.